channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Frisbee Ninja. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so before we get into the activity, I do want to show you guys the 4 proper steps to throwing a Frisbee backhand. So step number 1 is going to be Nike swish. Everybody show me a Nike swish like this. Thumb goes on top of the Frisbee, your pointer finger goes on the side rim of the Frisbee just like this. Should look like this. Step number 2, fingers that are remaining are going to go right underneath the Frisbee just like this. So again, 1, Nike swish, 2, 3 fingers underneath. So step 3, I'm going to bring my wrist to my forearm, forearm to my body just like this. Okay, that's step number 3. Step number 4 is just the opposite of that. Okay, so I have the Frisbee close to my body. I'm going to extend my arm, elbow out, and then I'm going to go ahead and flick my wrist. When you flick your wrist, you want to make sure you point at your target. So if my target is a friend, if my target is a hula hoop, I'm going to point my finger and release the Frisbee. So stay tuned and we'll get to the activity in just a moment. All right, so here is the setup for Frisbee Ninja. Now I have a cone with a die. Now this could be a water bottle, this could be another cone. You can substitute it for anything you have. And then two orange cones. Now those orange cones are about 5 feet away. Now you can make that modified to 3 to 7 feet depending on your grade level. You're gonna go ahead and get your Frisbee and you're gonna throw it and you're gonna try to knock down the die. Now if I throw the Frisbee and it hits the cone and the die falls off, that's gonna be worth 1 point. Throw the Frisbee and it knocks down the die, directly knocking off the die, that is worth 3 points. So you're gonna have 1 minute to try to see how many times you can knock down the die. So make sure you stay tuned and Mr. Garcia will give us a try in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and throw. Right there, that's 3 points. That's 4 points. So in this activity, Mr. Garcia was able to get 13 points. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that activity, Frisbee Ninja. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the activity, what modifications you would have made. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, so we can see those modifications in action. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.